Here's another treat. Durham College has a fantastic online resource about generative AI. This website has information on generative AI and how it intersects with teaching and learning. Check out all of their resources, tips, and tricks here. If you're interested in using ChatGPT or other AI tools in your classroom, you might be interested in the How to Incorporate Generative AI page. This page has information on how to get started with this and ways to incorporate AI into learning activities and assessment strategies. For example, you might be interested in concept mapping, content summaries, experiments, etc. They have tips and tricks there as well as considerations. They also have a page on adapting assessments to mitigate the use of AI, if that's something that you're interested in as well. On this page, you can see some tips and tricks for what to do if you find your students are relying on AI tools a bit too much. This page has information on authentic assessments, as well as adjusting instructional and assessment strategies in your classes. So very specific tips and tricks to do that. Finally, if you want to try out some AI tools yourself, there's a page on how to write prompts to engage with generative AI here. Take a peek. You might pick up some tips, tricks, or treats on how to get AI to generate higher quality outputs for you.